Hi everyone, welcome to a new series. In this series, we are gonna build a complete MuleSoft API project from scratch to make the learning practical and realistic. So we'll use the PetStore API as our example and develop it step by step using MuleSoft. Throughout this series, we'll cover everything from setting up the project and designing the API to implementing the flows, handling errors, writing tests, and finally deploying the application. By end of the series, you'll have a solid understanding of how to build a MuleSoft API project from start to finish, and you'll have a complete sample project that you can use reference for your own applications. In today's video, we'll start with a very first step, setting up our development environment and create a MuleSoft project. We'll go through the project structure, explain the key files that are generated, and make sure everything is configured correctly before we begin implementing any business logic. Whether you are completely new to MuleSoft or looking for some hands-on practice, this series is designed to help you follow and build the project from start to finish. So let's get started by creating our first MuleSoft API project. Before we start setting up the project, I hope you've already installed MuleSoft Endpoint Studio. So I'm not going to cover the installation process in this video, as I want to focus on building a project itself. So if you're interested, I can create a separate video that walks through the installation and initial setup. For this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have the required MuleSoft installed, especially Endpoint Studio. Let's go ahead and open Endpoint Studio. Yep. Once it's open, you'll see the IDE. The first things we are gonna do is create a new Mule project. I'll name the project as PetStore API MuleSoft. For the Mule runtime, I'll use version 4.8.1. So if you are using a different compatible version, that's perfectly fine. You can still follow along. Now I'll click finish and you can see the project has been created successfully. So our new PetStore API MuleSoft project is now available in the Package Explorer. Before we start implement the API, let's organize the project structure. As I mentioned in the introduction, we'll be using the PetStore API as our sample project. The API contains several resources such as pet, store, and user. To keep our project clean and easy to maintain, we'll organize it based on these resources. So first I'll create a package to hold everything related to the pet resource. So all of the pet endpoints are defined in the Swagger Open API specification will be implemented under this package. So in the same way, we'll create a separate package for the resource such as store and user. So organizing the project this way make it much easy to manage as the application grows. So this is the basic project structure we'll be using throughout the series. In the next video, we'll start implementing our first API endpoint in MuleSoft. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.